Hello, how may I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a shirt to buy.
Okay, what size are you looking for?
I think a medium.
And what color would you prefer?
Blue is my favorite.
The blue one is priced at $200.
That's a little expensive. Is there any chance of a discount?
Yes, we have a 10% discount today.
That's great. Can I try it on?
Of course. The changing room is over there.
This shirt fits well, but do you have any other styles?
Yes, we also have a new, sleeveless model.
Is it a standard size?
It is, and it would suit you nicely. It's also made of 100% cotton.
That's good to hear. Can I pay with my card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Perfect, I'll take this one.
I'll pack it for you. With the 10% discount, the final price is $180.
Great. I'll pay with my card.
Please tap or insert your card. Done. Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt, your shirt, and your bag.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Do you remember the first time you cooked something by yourself?
Yes, it was scrambled eggs. What about you?
Mine was fried noodles. Was your first dish good?
It was okay, not perfect. How about yours?
Mine was too salty. Do you follow recipes?
Yes, I use recipes from the internet. Do you?
Sometimes, but I also like to guess. Have you ever baked bread?
No, I haven't. Have you?
Yes, once, but it was hard. Do you like cooking for guests?
Yes, it's fun. Do you?
Yes, I like it. Have you ever tried cooking food from another country?
Yes, I tried making Thai curry. Have you?
I tried making Italian lasagna. Do you watch cooking shows?
Yes, I watch them on YouTube. Do you?
Yes, I do. Do you want to cook together someday?
That sounds like a great idea.
John, do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, I like a small Italian place near my house. How about you?
I like a sushi restaurant in the city center. Is your favorite restaurant expensive?
Not really, it's affordable. Is yours expensive?
A little bit, but the food is worth it. How often do you go there?
Once or twice a month. How about you?
I go maybe once every 2 months. Do you usually eat out alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends. How about you?
I usually go with my family. Do you make reservations?
Sometimes, especially on weekends. Do you?
Yes, because it's always busy. What do you usually order there?
I order pizza and pasta. What do you order at your sushi place?
I usually get salmon rolls and miso soup. Do you like trying new restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy it. How about you?
Me too. Do you check reviews before going?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I always check reviews online. Hi, John. Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new foods. How about you?
Me too. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I think I like Italian food the most. What about you?
I really enjoy Japanese food. Do you eat sushi?
Yes, I do. I like salmon sushi. Do you like it too?
Yes, I do. Do you like spicy food?
Not too much, but I can eat a little spice. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it. What's your favorite dish?
Probably spaghetti carbonara. What's yours?
Mine is ramen. Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but not often. Do you cook a lot?
I cook twice a week. What's the easiest dish you can make?
Fried rice. How about you?
I can make omelets easily. Do you like desserts?
Yes, very much. What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake. Do you prefer coffee or tea after a meal?
I prefer tea. What about you?
I prefer matcha because it's good for my health.